Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys that I finally decided to join Boxy Charm subscription. I've enjoyed Ipsy, and do ignore any noises that you hear because my kids are upstairs and they're playing, and yeah. So I decided to join Boxy Charm subscription. I've had only another subscription in past, which is Ipsy, and I didn't enjoy that as much as I really could have. I felt like the products weren't speaking of what my taste was like. So I wanted to give this a try, and today's the first box, you guys. I signed up last month and I got my month of April Boxy Charm subscription box. And as you guys can see, this right here is the box, you guys. I got it delivered today. The box actually looks like this way is only because my husband took extra precaution. You guys are very aware of coronavirus out there, so you do need to wipe and clean and sanitize every single thing. And I think he did a pretty darn good job cleaning and sanitizing this before this comes here in my room. So this right here is my first subscription, you guys, and I am so excited to open this up. I cannot wait to play with the items, maybe in possible near future videos. So do know that those are definitely coming up in future, but I wanted to go ahead and unbox this very first Boxy Charm box for you. All right. So this is what the box looks like, you guys. Looks like I've got a bunch of goodies in here, and I'm really thrilled and excited about it. Boxy Charm will give you for $15, I believe. No, how much is it? Damn, hold on. So Boxy Charm is a mystery box up to $180 value. Within the box, you will get 5 full-size beauty products delivered to you every month for $25. I believe they have a premium one for around $55 a month, and that will get you more products than this basic box. Go ahead and continue with this unboxing. So the first thing I have here is, this is the Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade face palette. This is a face palette. Oh, awesome. Let's go ahead and open that. Need a scissors. In the end, I'm going to go ahead and add the actual value of the products to see if it does add up to 25 or more. By looking at it, I'm sure it is. So this right here is Pure Cosmetics face palette. Ooh, it opens like that. So this is what that looks like. It does have a little mirror. You have your 6 eyeshadows, some blushes, and highlighters in there. I think this looks very amazing. I really like all these colors. I'm not a huge fan of silver shade, but other than that, I love every single color. So Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional Face Primer. You guys, I've used this as a sample. I've never had nerves to buy this in a full size because whenever you do shop, I always opt in for sample sizes of primers and lotions and stuff. So whenever I travel, I can use it. And because of coronavirus, I know we're not traveling. So this is why you guys have been seeing me using some travel size products in my videos, because I'm just trying to get through them and I do not want to waste any products. So this is what that looks like. I really like this primer. This is very, very good. It really blurs your pores and also any kind of issues, any concern areas that you may, this helps to blur those out. This one right here, ooh, the next product I have here is Iconic London Illuminator. Ever since I've seen this, I've been wanting to get my hands on it, but I feel like it's a little too expensive, where I do have some more promising products laying around. So I always just not end up spending money on. I'm really excited about this. Ooh, wow, look at this. All right, you guys. Oh dear God, that is, wow, that is so happening, you guys. I cannot wait to play with this. I don't even know if that's too much for me, because wow, so that is absolutely amazing. I can't wait to try this and play with this more. Next product I have here is the Zoeva eyeshadow palette. I don't have any product from this brand. I've never purchased or anything. I don't think I have heard so much about it either, but then again, I haven't been watching a lot of videos on YouTube either. So let's go and get this going. It's very sleek and sturdy. Cardboard packaging, travel friendly looks like. And there's no mirror in it. But this is what that looks like, you guys. All neutral shades. There's about 6 matte and 4 metallic shades in there. I can't wait to create a look for you guys on this one. Definitely let me know if you have a color in your mind. Magnetic closure. The next product in here is Illuminati Gel Paint Pan. This is what that looks like. And let's go ahead and open this one. Oh, so there's 2 pencils in there. Let's go ahead and, wow. Oh my god, that is such a bright pink, you guys. I have been wanting to buy some eye pencils I haven't touched, but I've only to find out that they have kind of dried. So I placed an order at Ulta online, and I'm still waiting for them to ship me my stuff, but they are still in processing. I guess that's gonna take a while before it makes it to me. And this one right here is blue. So a lot of my eyeliners are really gone, bad, and expired and dried out. So I've been wanting some. So this is something I'm really gonna get a good use out of, because I'm desperately needing some brand new eyeliner. So yay, awesome. And last but not least, this right here is Lavish brush set right here. Looks very colorful and bold. It actually looks very fun, you guys. So this right here is the brush set. They are very nice. This is more like defined for the very defined look that you want. This right here is the small blending brush. And this is a liner brush. This is again a very small detail brush and an angled brow brush or liner brush. I really like all of these. These are very colorful, and I can definitely use them on daily use. And this right here, I think it'll be good for blending, not packing into crease more though. That will be very good. So I'm going to go ahead and find a way to store it on my filming station, because last thing I want to do is forget about them. I really want to go ahead and put them to use so I can tell you guys how I like them. So this right here is the total cost of all the products that I did receive this month of April Boxy Charm box. I hope you guys enjoyed unboxing my Boxy Charm box. It does come with a little card and note in here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know if you want me to go ahead and continue filming a video like this every month for you. I would love to do that, and I'm really loving the comments and suggestions onto my videos. Thank you so much. I hope you guys had fun unboxing my Boxy Charm with me. I will be back with more tutorial, mainly focusing on some of the products that I did receive in my Boxy Charm. So definitely stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you had fun watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.